Hi, I am Susan Stripling, and I am a wedding and portrait photographer from Brooklyn, New York. Today I'm going to give you some top tips to start your wedding photography business. So tip number one would be to start your business as a business from the very beginning. Get yourself set up as a legal, functioning business. Meet with a lawyer, meet with an accountant, make sure that you are set up correctly in your city and state, make sure that you are set up to record your income from the very beginning. Because I know that I, like a lot of photographers, started off as a hobbyist, and you kind of realize that you've turned into a business a little further down the road than you really should have. The second you're ready to start taking money from people for photography, take the time to really get set up the right way. Tip number two is to separate your business from your personal life right away. Set time to turn off the computer. Basics like keeping your finances separate from your personal finances and your bills for your business separate from your personal bills. Treating it as a job, granted a job that you love a lot from the very start, helps give you that kind of healthy barrier, both legally and financially and personally, that will enable you to work really hard on your business, but also set it aside when it's time to go home. So tip number three is going to be to get out of your house and start building relationships. Maybe it is local meetups in your area, maybe it's conventions, maybe it is associations. Join Facebook groups, get out of your house, meet people in person, and start networking. It's really, really, really important that vendors and venues and people other than photographers get to know you from the beginning, because if they like you and they know you and they trust you before they've even worked with you, by the time you finally do get to work with them, you've already got a relationship walking into it. Tip number four is to go make relationships with other photographers. Go to something like B&H's Depth of Field. I was just presenting and I asked how many people from New York were in the audience, and there were New York photographers out there that I'd never even met before. And don't be afraid to talk to people. Everybody started somewhere. My very first convention that I ever went to, I didn't know anyone. And over the years of continuing to go to that convention, I've met my best friends, I met my husband, and now the entire community of people I have around me were based because I went to a convention and I sat down and started talking to people. Tip number five, and this is the big one, this is one that actually involves using your camera, is to get out there and take pictures. Take pictures of everything and everyone. You want to be a wedding photographer because you love people and because you love documenting a wedding day before you even have your first paying client. As you're building your business, in the early years of your business, defining your style is so incredibly important, and the only way to do that is to get out and shoot. So lock your business down legally, go make some friends, put your camera to your face, and go outside and have fun.